Hello and welcome back to this course. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the expressions. Now this is a short video in which I am going to teach you about the expressions. Definitely we are going to use the expressions in our future videos, so I think you have to know about what is the expression. Now for example, if I type here system.out.println, I type here Java 8 for example. Java or Java is everywhere, you can say that. Okay, so this thing which is present inside these round brackets is the expression. You can say that this is a expression. This is also a type of expression, you can say. And if I type here a condition like if you can say num is greater than 50, I declare a variable here with the name num is equal to, you can say, 60, and if num is greater than 60, then simply print system.out.println, and I type here, you can say, number is greater than 50, like this. Now I know that you don't know about the if right now, but don't get confused with that. You have to only focus on the expression. Now this thing num is greater than 50 is an expression here. This thing is expression. We also call this thing as a condition, that this is the condition. If that condition is true, then this line is going to execute. Now this thing here is the expression. Not only this, but num is equal to 60, this thing is also an expression here. And num is greater than 50, like this, is also an expression here. So I hope you understand that what is expression. This thing here is expression. This is an example of expression. This is the example of an expression, and this is also an example of expression. This is very basic concept that I want to teach you, that what is expression basically. So whenever I use the word expression in my videos, so don't get confused with that what is expression. You may think that the expression is something where that conveys a value, like this num is equal to 6, this is expression. But how this is an expression? Yes, this is not conveying some value, but this is also an expression in Java. You can consider that this is also an expression. Basically, this is the best example of the expression. Num is equal to 60 or num is greater than 50. These are the best examples of the expression. I hope that you have knowledge about the mathematics, that what is expression in mathematics. This is just like that. In Java, this is the expression. So I summarize it once again. Expression is something like that conveys a value. For example, num is equal to 60 and num is greater than 50. This is the expression. And Java is everywhere, and this num is greater than 50 is also a valid expression here. So I hope you understand that what is expression. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.